Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Wingun CO2 revolver. I got this gun about 6 months ago off of airsoftgi.com and I bought it for $120. This gun is full metal, it's black, and this model is the 4-inch version, 4-inch barrel. And it's the shortest one you can get. You can also get the, if you can see that, the different size models. Mine's is the shortest one. It's still really nice though, and it's pretty accurate for how short the barrel is. But yeah, it's really nice. And it comes with, let's see, in the box, it comes with 6 shells, and in each shell, you put one BB in there. And yeah, and full, like I said, the whole gun is full metal except the hand grip. Hand grip is like a plastic kind of thing, but on the inside is metal. But yeah, and that's where you put the CO2 in. And this gun, it only comes with 6 shells, so I can recommend you, if you want to buy this gun, buy another set of shells, because the shells actually wear out pretty fast if you airsoft a lot, but otherwise they last a while. And this set also comes with a speed loader, and comes with these rails. So some people who like tactical stuff, you can put like a what's called, like a light or a laser on the bottom, but it looks sort of weird. I just like the regular one. Just like that. It looks cooler that way. And overall, it's a really good gun. It shoots around 400 FPS. And oh yeah, and it's a double action gun, so I can shoot as I pull in the trigger, or I can pull back the hammer manually. Which they both work the same, but like, if I pull the hammer back manually, it's more accurate, because when I pull the trigger, it jerks a little bit when I shoot. So I like pulling the hammer back when I'm trying to shoot accurately. I would recommend this gun, but it's not the best gun for airsoft wars. I mostly like using it for just shooting at cannons and stuff with my friends. It's more of a collector's item. Overall, it's a good gun.